actually as a trainee.
Well, you never stop networking as well,
yeah,
no matter what grade you're at, because you're always looking for the next person to work for or talking to people.
I was 22, I think, when I first started doing this. I think I was all right. I remember being a bit shy about it. I think once you just have to get over it and just do it. I definitely wouldn't say I was a natural networker.
In terms of networking, I don't know that I was good at like talking to people, introducing myself, but I think my thing was being helpful and being like present. So that helped me, I think, a lot in networking and getting contacts. Kind of being like, can I offer you a tea or coffee? Can I do this? Can I get lunch? Can I, and I think people appreciate that.
Just about making a good impression.
And also being proactive, like what you were saying about even the writing down teas and coffees and stuff. But if you know your designer, for example, gets a face cream out every day, you can see that and then you can start doing stuff like that, little bits like that, that are helpful. And I think that goes a long, long way. As well, along the lines of networking, people give you little tips and tricks along the way. So people will say, oh, if you take a picture of the station and then you can memorise it, like little things like that. So yeah, it's just picking up from people really. But you've got so much going on as a trainee, well, as anyone.
You've got to really keep like a calm exterior, but